I was sleeping at the time.
Hmm. I thought so.
लेक्चर था, लेक्चर एक्टिविटी का नहीं था, सर का ही था.
Anyway, lesson 9, very interesting lesson, very funny lesson it is. The night the bed fell. Lesson 7 we have completed. Now lesson 9, because chapter 8 we had taken for SA1, so chapter 7 and chapter 9 I have taken for FA3. Understand the lesson from the beginning and be present in the lecture every time so that you understand the lesson, because we might take 2 or 3 lectures for completing this lesson. So I'll not waste much time. I will just tell you about the story, what is there in the story, and then we will begin the lessons reading. You can all hear me and you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So the author's name is James Thurber. James Thurber, he was an American author. He has written this lesson. And about the story. So this story is a humorous piece, is a comical piece about one strange night in the author's life. So James Thurber describes the night, which was very strange experience that he had, and the members in his house are his parents, both mother father both, then his brothers. His brothers' names were Roy and Herman. Remember the name Roy and Herman. And also a cousin was there who had come to stay over there for a few days. Briggs, not Brick, it only Briggs, Briggs. So these people were there. So total how many? Total how many were there?
5.
How come five? कितने हुए? Parents, brothers, Roy Herman and cousin Briggs.
4.
6,
6.
including author.
ले.
Each author को नहीं गिना?
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ.
क्या हाँ ऑथर को ही निकाल दिया? नहीं बतानी स्टोरी है, बुरा लग गया उसको.
कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ तो कर लेना खुद रीड, ठीक है. बाय.
तो दूसरा कुछ नहीं करवाना?
नहीं अभी नहीं करवाना. ऑथर को बुरा लग गया तो फिर ऑथर ने भी मुझे ना बोला ऐसे लेक्चर मत लो.
ओके सर, बाय.
Okay. So Delisha will leave and she will not understand the lesson. Others will understand.
Okay,
Why
sir.
I will leave? You will leave, sir.
Okay. अभी बाकी सबका सोचना पड़ेगा. So I will explain now. Delisha तो कर लेगी खुद. फिर बाकी
नहीं,
सब.
हम भी कर लेंगे. हम भी कर ही लेंगे.
यस सर, देखो कर लेंगे, उन लोग भी कर लेंगे.
हाँ.
होशियार है सर हम.
मर्चेंट.
हाँ,
Yes
वो भी कर
sir,
लेगी
हम
सर.
लोग भी करेंगे.
देखो सर, तथीर भी कर लेगी.
ओके
No
नहीं
sir,
चलो
I
ठीक है. अब तुम लोग इतना बोल रहे तो मैं मान गया. फिर अभी मैं समझा देता हूँ लेसन.
सर मचन कितने नहीं कर सकते, उसको समझा दो.
आई एम फीलिंग पिटी. सो करवा देता हूँ, ठीक है. फिर तुम लोग को बुरा लगेगा, इससे अच्छा करवा
नहीं
देता हूँ.
बुरा लगेगा. नहीं लगेगा.
नहीं
नहीं नहीं
सर,
देखो
हमको नहीं
अभी ऐसे
लगेगा.
बात तुम लोग बात करो तो भी ऐसा लग रहा है दैट यू आर फीलिंग बैड,
नहीं
सो आई विल
लगेगा.
को भी
एक्सप्लेन
करना
नाउ.
लगेगा ना, समझेगा.
नहीं,
ओके ओके
ओके
नो
सर,
प्रॉब्लम,
नो.
आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड.
बोल
समझा देता हूँ
देंगे
बस.
तो.
सो each of these family members, they have their own peculiarities. सबकी अलग अलग स्पेशलिटी है. They have their own qualities. And one night that night about what this lesson is written. In their sleep induced confusion, they were all sleeping, and while sleeping, there was a big confusion in that house. All of them together managed to create chaos. You know what is chaos? That is what is created in your class many times.
Yes.
Confusion, noise, don't know what is going on, lot of noise is there. So that is chaos. So they were all confused. They were on half sleep, and there was a lot of confusion. And what happens in that confusion? That is very interesting and very funny. And if I tell you in short, all of these are mad people in the family. So we'll see what they do. The night the bed fell, तो इससे तो पता चल रहा है कि बेड तो गिरा होगा कोई एक. And when the bed fell, then the confusion began. I want someone to draw this, and I know at least two of you will send me today itself.
Okay, sir. I'll try. कर
कार्टून.
लिया सर.
अभी तो रीड भी नहीं किया. ओके आ गया. Okay. So wherever you have seen this, school, home, or neighborhood, anywhere, give a funny caption to your cartoon. Remember not to hurt anyone's feelings. Right? Whichever funny scene you have seen and a cartoon, you have to draw of it. Wherever you have seen it. So who will do it? Who will try? Who will do it? See, I'm not reading the chat because I'm only connected with one phone. So you have to speak. So I have to check the names. Who will do
Yes,
it?
sir.
Sir, I will try.
Okay, only Delisha. बाकी किसी को ट्राई नहीं करनी. No problem.
I do, sir.
Then there is no use of good drawing. I hope the person understands whom I'm talking with.
Yes, Conan, you should do.
Okay, I
No, no,
will.
it's okay. No, no, you. It's okay. You just draw your religious drawings. That is okay. Delisha, I will try. Okay, no problem. And others are not that all should assume. They are not giving any answer. Click shot. Alfina. Alfina है ना वो?
No, Alvira.
Alvira.
अलवीरा. अच्छा वैसा है अलवीरा. मुस्कान लेफ्ट. अभी उसका बोलने जा रहा था मैं. नूरानी सकीना. खेतानी.
अब किसका है?
So I'll read these two lines, then we'll give you for ready. Read this account of an eventful night at author's house. So eventful means historic. जो वो नाइट जब जो भी हुआ वो हिस्ट्री बन गई. So it was a very you can say it was an eventful night, historic night at the narrator's house. Note how each new detail builds up drama. So whenever someone new comes, there would be a lot of confusion. In the movies also it is there. But as you all might not have seen, so I will not take the names of any movies because I know none of you might have seen that movie. So a lot of confusion is created every time the new person comes over there, and a lot of drama is created, and it adds to the absurdity of the situation. What is absurdity? Silly, mad, absurdity, silliness of the situation. Every time the new person comes, again it creates confusion. The second person comes, again it creates confusion. So all of them gather at one place and they manage to create chaos in the house. Then when you read the story, you will understand better. So as I said, none of you might be watching movies. है कोई जिसने देखी हो ऐसी movies? Confusion create होता है
ऐसा
वैसे.
देखिए शायद मेरे पापा देख रहे थे.
You, I'm talking about
याद
you. If you
नहीं है.
remember the name,
ना सन्ना.
याद नहीं है. देखिए
मुझे नेम याद नहीं रहता.
सेम.
Hindi
थोड़े याद
movies I'm
देते
talking
हैं।
about. But yes,
Yes,
then you tell me story. I will tell you the name of that movie then.
सर हाफ थोड़ी सी देखी होगी, पूरी नहीं देखी।
Which one?
याद नहीं है, बोला ना।
वो भी याद नहीं है. Anyone? Then you will
सर
get the
कौन है
perfect.
वो,
Con.
बोल रही
पर
थी।
मुझे स्टोरी याद नहीं है, इतनी बहुत पहले देखी थी।
But which one? Give me the hint.
मैंने
I will.
बहुत पहले नहीं, अभी फोन में कहीं देखी थी।
नहीं, मैंने
So
फोन में नहीं, सिनेमा
तेरा
में देखी।
others, what about others? Only these two are there. और भी सब देखते होंगे यार, बहुत सारे हैं.
यस,
हम्म,
आपको नाम बोला तो पता चले कि भाई कंफ्यूजिंग है या वैसी।
हाँ सर, नेम तो बोलो।
हाँ, नेम तो बोलो,
but
हम लोग को पता चलेगा।
you have seen it or not? I'm asking, not about me. I have seen many, so how would I know that you have seen it or not?
अरे नेम बोलो तो पता चले ना।
हाँ, हम लोग को
Okay,
नाम याद नहीं है।
okay, just a second. वो name था. हम्म,
लो
it
सर,
was.
आपने भूल गए।
अरे नहीं, अभी मुझे याद था. when you all are talking and now again I forgot. ऐसा होता है ना कभी, एक मिनट में. I know the whole story. I know the celebrities also who have been there. But Hindi movie है. So have you
हाँ
seen
हाँ,
any Hindi
हाँ,
movies?
या
ये
हिंदी ओनली सर।
नहीं, तुम लोग
हाँ,
शायद इंग्लिश
एक
देखते हो तो
एक
पता नहीं.
आपने क्या
इंग्लिश।
देखी थी?
I see anywhere. वो तो टीवी पे mostly. Theater sometimes, mostly television. एक
सर
मिनट. वो it was in Singapore. The shooting was done in Singapore, and Pan Pacific Hotel, and क्या नेम था मूवी का. अक्षय कुमार था और many actors were there. Johnny Lever was there. पैन पैसिफिक होटल थी. क्या नाम था मूवी का यार. अभी वो नाम भी याद नहीं रहा, इतना अच्छा नाम था.
सब याद करके फिर हम बता देना, हमें बता देना।
बट एनीवे, यू आर नॉट सीन दैट, सो उसकी
हाउसफुल।
स्टोरी ऐसी. हाउसफुल तो अलग है, उसमें भी होता है ऐसा कंफ्यूजन, राइट. हाउसफुल, बट 1 2 3 4 कौन से. उसमें भी बहुत सारी है. हाउसफुल देखिए.
यस,
यस,
कौन सी, 1 2 3 या 4?
चारों।
यस,
First
चारों।
one is first one is interesting because my name is there in it.
यस।
फर्स्ट वन सनी, इसमें सनी सर का नाम आता है ना, इसलिए वो उसके
हाँ,
लिए
इसलिए।
इंटरेस्टिंग है, हमारे लिए पता नहीं।
ऐसा नहीं है.
इधर भी सनी सर का नाम आएगा, उधर सनी सर के लिए वो
हाँ,
फिल्म
इंटरेस्टिंग
या
होगी।
पिक्चर
नहीं, वो उसमें
फेवरेट
नहीं है,
होगी।
जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना उसमें नहीं है.
तो भी सेलिब्रिटी का नाम तो है ना।
Forget it, वो देख लेना फिर बताना मुझे. And okay, who will read from here? Who wants to read?
सर,
समय आई।
Yes, read.
Okay. It happened when my father had decided to sleep in the attic one night to be away where he could think. My mother opposed the notion, how to pronounce notion,
Notion. Yes.
notion strongly because she said the old wooden bed up there was unsafe. It was wobbly, and the heavy headboard will crash down on father's head in case the bed fell and killed him. There was no deciding
Dissuading.
deciding him, however, and at a quarter past 10 he closed the attic door behind him and went up the narrow twisting stairs. We later heard ominous,
Ominous.
creakings as they crawled into bed. Grandfather, who usually slept in the attic bed when he was with us, had disappeared some days before. On the occasionally, he was usually gone for 6 or 8 nights and returned grueling and out of temper.
Hmm. So here you can see this scene as it is given. I have just minimized. You can zoom it if you want. It happened when my father had decided to sleep in the attic one night. So author has started the story of that one night. Author's father had decided that he wants to sleep in the attic that night. What is attic? You know what is that? No. Top, the top floor which is below the roof. सबसे ऊपर का जो फ्लोर होता है वो घर का, that is attic. So his father, author's father, decided that night he would sleep in that room, attic room, to be away where he could think. He wanted to be alone over there, away from all the family members. So the father decided he would be there at that night. My mother opposed the notion. So author, my means author's mother, she opposed the notion. What is notion? Idea. This idea of father of sleeping in the attic, mother opposed it very strongly. Mother did not like. She said that old wooden bed up was unsafe. The bed in the attic, in the room, was not safe. It could break down anytime. It was very weak. It was unsafe. So father should not sleep over there. It was wobbly. Wobbly, what is it? Shaking. It was shaking. And the heavy headboard would crash down on father's head. तो ऊपर एक headboard था. What is headboard? It is an upright board at the end of the bed where you lay your head. यहाँ पता है ये headboard बोलते हैं इसको. If you know, can you see?
Yes.
Yes. So it was about to fall at any time, and so mother did not like father's idea sleeping in the attic. It would crash down on father's head in case the bed fell. अगर bed नीचे गिरा तो ये उसके सर पे आ जाएगा. And kill him and he would die. But now it is overstatement. I don't think that if bed will fall down or if bed will fall down that father would die. But mother thinks like that. There was no dissuading him. Now dissuading, it is called dissuading. Means stopping him from sleeping in the attic bed. Dissuading, no one could stop father. That is the meaning. From sleeping in attic. However, at a 10:15 means what is the time? 10:15 means what? Don't know. The clock. वो वीडियो
Sir, I
दिखाऊं?
know.
It's 1
Before
o'clock.
10
It's 2
o'clock.
o'clock. वो
Sir,
वीडियो दिखाना पड़ेगा सबको. थर्ड और फोर्थ वालों को दिखाते हो. Yes,
अरे no
Merchant.
sir.
Before 10 o'clock, I think.
Merchant, what do you want to say?
Sir, what was the time? Quarter past? 9, 10. Quarter to 10.
Quarter past.
So 9:45.
No.
10:45.
No.
9:15.
When does when do your lecture gets over? Your lectures
10:15.
9:39. अच्छा 10:15. Oh.
quarter
I just
the
said
duration. Yeah, time. This is very annoying. बोलो जरा बच्चों को भी तुम लोग को पहले टाइम देखना सीखा क्लॉक में. Wait now.
10.
It's okay, sir.
No, not okay.
Okay.
it's okay
कोई
not
बात
to
नहीं.
be okay.
हाँ.
मर्चेंट सकीना, दलीशा मंसूरी, कोनन सकीना वसा है. ठीक है, तुम तीनों को टाइम
अल्लाह.
देखना नहीं आता. Very good.
सर ऐसा नहीं करते, हम तीनों सर के फेवरेट स्टूडेंट हैं.
हाँ तो सर फेवरेट स्टूडेंट्स को टाइम देखना तो सिखाए पहले.
मुझे
फिर
स्टूडेंट
बाकी
नहीं
सब
बनना है.
सिखाए.
हम लोग को
हाँ,
क्या
चलो.
पता कि सर के हम फेवरेट
Okay.
स्टूडेंट है ऐसा.
हाँ तो
चुप
कोनन
रहने
सकीना
दो.
और दलीशा मंसूरी को फेवरेट बनना है तो उनको
नहीं
हाँ,
बनना
बनना नहीं है
नहीं,
सर.
मुझे नहीं पता
means you are
कि
already
मैं
you already are right.
होगा, चलो अभी।
इंग्लिश
इट
आने
नहीं
बोला
नहीं
हैपन
इंग्लिश
व्हेन
नहीं
में।
माय
होगा, नहीं
फादर,
नहीं
क्या
नहीं, क्यों
हुआ था
क्यों?
वो?
नहीं,
स्टोरी में
वेट
क्या हुआ
वेट,
था?
स्टोरी अभी साइड में, नाउ यू गिव मी द आंसर।
What?
नेक्स्ट
10.
संडे को
Sir,
क्या है,
10.
नेक्स्ट संडे को?
नहीं, अभी
सर
अभी क्या बात है ना, टॉपिक क्यों चेंज करना है?
क्या क्या सर
नहीं,
राइट,
क्या बोला?
देखो
सर,
सर, मैं नहीं कर
आपसे ही
दूंगी।
right,
सीखा है
Delisha
टॉपिक
Mansuri
चेंज
is
करने का।
saying that she wants to be the favorite in mathematics, so let her be.
नो
And
नो
even
नो नो।
Conan Sakina, right?
यस सर, Dalisha want to be.
Yes,
And she is already okay. So this
yes.
I will keep
नो।
in my mind. What
Wait,
she has
by the
said.
way, sir, आपका favorite student कौन है?
So that is I
सच्ची?
don't. Tatir is favorite of everyone, right? Tatir, have.
यस, अल्पेश सर की तो ज्यादा फेवरेट है वो।
But I don't
सर
disclose.
सर उसको सब टीचर के फेवरेट स्टूडेंट बनना है।
Yes. But I don't disclose the name.
सर सर वो
ऐसा
इसलिए
मत बोलो।
है।
Hmm. Right.
पूरे स्कूल में से आपके लिए सबसे फेवरेट स्टूडेंट कौन है? कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड में से होगा ना।
Okay, see, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Your
ले,
it is said.
सर बात मत बदलो, सर
सर
बात अभी
आपसे
आपने
ही
बोला
सीखा
था, अभी
टॉपिक
आपने
चेंज
बोला था
करने
कि
का।
टॉपिक मत चेंज करो।
Okay, मैं बताऊंगा बस पक्का. I will tell you. That is.
ना फीचर।
But give me some time at least.
सर
ओके सर।
Okay.
At last
Yes.
of the lecture, you have to tell.
यस, वी
No,
विल नॉट फॉरगेट।
little bit more time.
No more
तो क्या
time.
सर,
No
5
more
साल का
time.
टाइम?
No more time.
आगू
हाँ, हाँ.
This
8-10
much
साल तो
time is
चाहिए ना.
enough. This much time is enough for you.
Okay, when you all come in 12th standard, I will tell you.
What alphabet?
क्या?
When you come in 12th, at that time I will tell you.
पर
अरे
ऐसा थोड़ी होता है सर।
Okay, anyway, I will tell you right now. इसमें कहाँ पहुंचे थे हम यार, एक तो लाइन भी खो गई.
Quarter past 10.
क्वार्टर पास 10 वाला कुछ था। हाँ, इधर क्वार्टर पास
10,
10 ही क्लोज द एग्जिट डोर।
10:15, he closed the attic door. उसने बंद कर दिया. He went to sleep. Behind him went up the narrow twisting stairs. So the stairs, when he climbed the attic, वो ऊपर था room, so he had to climb the stairs and go upstairs. So they were twisting. Means stairs were not straight like we have in school. It was twisted here and there. First right side, then left side. Twisting stairs. See. We later heard ominous creakings. Ominous means threatening. Threatening sounds were there. Creakings are the sounds. So they heard the threatening sounds as he crawled into the bed. Crawled means when you sleep, when you go on the bed, when you climb the bed, you crawl like four legs are there of animals. How they crawl, or insects crawl. So on the bed, the father crawled means he went to sleep. He climbed the bed. And grandfather, usually who would sleep in that room? Grandfather. But grandfather was not there in the house. He was away somewhere. He had disappeared somewhere. Means you can just consider that grandfather was not in the house for some days. He had gone somewhere, and so the room was empty. And so in that room, in that attic, who went to sleep? The father went to sleep. Now we'll see further. And when the father climbed the bed, ominous creakings were heard. Remember that. Why? Because the bed was very old, it was wobbly, shaking. So when you climb that kind of bed, so that will make sound. The sound will come out of it. खाटले पे बैठते हैं वैसे. Read it further. We'll read. We'll read.
Sir, may I read?
Okay. Continue.
He had visiting us at this time a nervous first cousin of mine named Briggs Bell, who believed that he was likely to
Seize.
cease breathing when he was asleep. It was his feeling that if he were not uh,
Awakened.
sorry.
Awakened.
awakened every hour during the night, he might die of suffocation. He had been
Accustomed.
accustomed to setting an alarm clock to
What?
ring
Alarm.
alarm alarm
Alarm.
alarm clock to ring at intervals until morning. But I
Persuaded.
persuaded him to uh, uh, to abandon this. He slept in my room, and I told him that I was such a little sleeper that if
Light.
anybody uh, I was such a light sleeper that if anybody quite breathing in the same
Quit.
room with me quit breathing in the same room with me, I would wake instantly. He tested me the first night when I was suspected uh, he would by holding his breath after my regular breathing had convinced him I was asleep. I was not asleep, however, and they called to him. This seemed to allay his fears a little, but he took the precaution of putting a glass of spirits of camphor on a little table at the head of his bed, in case I didn't
Arouse.
arouse him until he was almost gone. He said he would sniff the camphor, a powerful
R-
reviver.
Okay. We now his family members. What happened? Now father went to sleep. Then what happened? We had visiting us at this time nervous first cousin of mine named Brix Bell. So that day, except for his family members, one more person was there. As I said, author's cousin Brix Bell. He was there in the house. He had come there to stay with them for a few days. Who believed that he was likely to cease breathing when he was asleep. So Brix Bell, he had that misconception in his mind. What? That if he would go to deep sleep, then while sleeping, his breathing would cease. Cease means stop. He would stop breathing in the middle of the sleep and he will die. ऐसा उसको लगता था. But that was his mental illness. You know what is it? Claustrophobia. If you have heard about claustrophobia, that is a psychiatric condition. The people have that phobia that because of breathing
Yes,
problem
yes.
they would die. Suffocation लगता है closed places में उनको. Especially people who travel in that they many times they also vomit. So claustrophobia is different, not just vomiting while in the closed bus or place, but claustrophobia is something like suffocation you feel anytime. So that disease he had, that is what I'm disclosing right now, which I should not tell you. But Briggs Bell, he thought like he would die in his sleep because of suffocation. It was his feeling that if he were not awakened every hour during the night, he might die of suffocation. So he felt that if someone will not wake up at every hour during the night, हर एक घंटे में कोई एक उसको जगाना चाहिए, उसके साथ कोई होना चाहिए, otherwise he would die. So would anyone do it? Will you help anyone who is with this condition? Every hour you also have to get up. Every hour he would set an alarm clock. 1 o'clock, then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. एक uh, 1 hour gap intervals he had set an alarm clock. That was his habit every day. He had been accustomed. Accustomed means usual. He would do this every day, setting an alarm clock to ring at intervals until morning. So till morning, till it was the time for him to get up in the morning, हर एक घंटे में बीच में अलार्म क्लॉक सेट करके रखा था उसने, every hour. But I persuaded him. Persuaded means he convinced the author. He convinced him to abandon this, means to stop this, that you should not set an alarm clock like this every hour in the night. He slept in my room. He means Briggs Bell. Briggs Bell slept with author in his room. And I told him that I was such a light sleeper. So author, he told him that I am a very light sleeper. Means the person who gets up quickly, even with a little noise. कोई होते हैं ऐसे जो डीप स्लीपर होते हैं, जो घोड़े बेच के सो जाते हैं, right? Anyone? No, I will not take the names. But here it is given light sleeper. So author said to Briggs Bell that I am a very light sleeper. So don't set an alarm clock. I will wake you up. Author told him that I am a very light sleeper, that if anybody quit breathing, means if anyone stops breathing in the same room, who is in the same room with me, I would wake instantly. So now this is, you can say, what is extraordinary, which he should not speak. Author said to Briggs Bell that if anyone will stop breathing, then I can also hear the sound of breathing. अभी कोई सांस लेता तो उसका थोड़ी कोई हमें हम सुन सकते हैं वो, no, we can hardly hear our breathing in the room where it is quiet. So author told Briggs Bell that if your breathing will stop, I will come to know immediately and I will wake you up. So no need of setting an alarm clock. But is it possible? Can you hear someone breathing? No, you can hear your own
No.
heartbeats. Hardly when you are in the quiet place. लेकिन उसको ऐसा समझाया ब्रिक्स बेल को, so that he doesn't set alarm clock, so that author's sleep also is not disturbed. He tested me the first night, but Briggs Bell was also smart. तो उसने first night सिर्फ test किया author को, ये सच बोल रहा है, which I had suspected he would, and author was sure that Briggs Bell will test him. So first night he was prepared. He did not go to sleep. He was just pretending that he is sleeping. So first night उसने उसको विश्वास दिला दिया that no, I am right, means I am a light sleeper. So by holding his breath after my regular breathing had convinced him I was asleep. When author was asleep, then Briggs Bell, what did he do? उसने breathing stop कर दी. Means you can stop breathing for a while, for a few seconds, not 30 minutes like in that movie. 15 minutes, sorry. पता है ना कौन सी मूवी में? 15 minutes he can stop breathing. That is a dialogue. देखा? वो मूवी भी नहीं देखी.
बोले तो खरी आप मूवी.
Oh, that name I know because it is very easy name and
बोलो.
very popular.
याद आ जाएगा. याद आ
Oh,
जाएगा.
that is the
तुरंत.
dialogue that for 15 minutes I can stop my breath.
कौन
And
पर
I can touch.
पिक्चर का नाम तो बोला.
I
फिल्म
can
और
touch
पिक्चर.
the death and I can come back. ऐसा हिंदी में dialogue है.
बोले तो खरी.
No, anyone? इसे देखी नहीं तो फिर बोलने का कोई मतलब नहीं. If you would know, then you would have already come to know the movie's name also.
अरे पर इतनी सारी मूवी देखे तो याद थोड़ी होगी कौन से आपके जैसे.
Oh, you should know. See, your friends are also not answering because they don't
आप
know.
बोलो. Name of the picture.
Kick.
What? Kick.
हाँ.
नहीं देखी.
Okay. Salman Khan's movie it is. And in that it is there. नहीं
सुल्तान.
देखी किसी. वो अलग है यार, उसमें नहीं है. Kick.
माइट भी.
नहीं देखी.
पता नहीं.
मैंने देखी है।
Who is speaking? Name.
बाबा निशीफा।
शिफा है उसमें डायलॉग ऐसा है ना. See, Shifa has seen, thank God. At least one has seen. So people can stop, we can just hold our breath. Breathe in, then we hold, and then we breathe out. So what did Briggs do? Briggs Bell breathing hold कर ली, just to check that narrator, means this author, is he really a light sleeper? कि वो जाग जाता है. मैंने अपना breathing stop किया. I was not asleep, however, means author was also awake that night because it was first night when Briggs Bell was sleeping with him, so he was sure that he will check him. However, and called to him, and immediately author started waking up. Briggs Bell, wake up fast, your breathing has stopped. So Briggs Bell was now sure that yes, author is really a light sleeper. This seemed to allay his fears a little. Allay, you see the meaning? Lesson. Means with this, Briggs Bell's fear reduced, that now I will not set alarm clock because author, that means his cousin, is sleeping with him. But he took the precaution, फिर भी उसने precaution तो लिया, of putting a glass of spirits of camphor. Then what did he do? उसने सिर्फ एक alarm clock set नहीं किया, but he put the glass of spirit of camphor on a little table above the head of the bed. बेड के ऊपर एक टेबल था, वहां पे उसने स्पिरिट ऑफ कैम्फर पाउडर रखा हो. यू नो व्हाट इज कैम्फर और नॉट? दैट वाइट सब्सटेंस which is used as medicine and also in making plastic. That is a strong smelling white substance. And गुजराती उधर से कपूर, कपूर की जो गोली आती है वो वाइट वाइट,
Yes.
उसका पाउडर होता है, वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है. इट इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. दैट इज कॉल्ड
Yes.
कैम्फर. So Brick smell just for his precaution that if in case author does not wake him up, he put the spirit of camphor above him. In case I didn't arouse him, means in case if author fails to wake him up until he was almost gone, he said that he would sniff the camphor, a powerful reviver. So he says that if in case the author does not wake him up, if his breathing stops, then this camphor would fall on him and he would sniff. वो सूंघ लेगा उसको and to smell it, and it is a powerful reviver. It is a powerful drug. Reviver means drug, medicine. It is a very powerful reviver. Really, camphor is a very powerful substance for smelling, and he would again come to life if in case the author fails to wake him up. तो उसने वो precaution के लिए रखा सिर्फ. But alarm clock he did not set that day, from that day. So is it clear?
Yes.
Why others are not
Yes.
answering?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so next page will continue. Today, 2 minutes I don't want to continue. See, we have this page. See the image. ऐसे कौन सा होता है?
एक type of owl.
आप सोते हो?
नहीं, मैं खाटले पे नहीं सोता. This is Delisha.
Yes.
तो मैं भी नहीं सोती ऐसे.
This is Conan.
What? No.
He is dying. He is dying. Open the door.
No. I never do like that.
Yeah,
अरे,
she's
No.
Conan.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
Conan. Oh, Conan.
और सकीना वो है सकीना.
this is Sakina. Stand in
I'm not
clear
a
corner. What? These two are friends. So you can say Delisha.
No, sir, no.
Yes, yes,
Green
Delisha,
one is
yes.
me.
Many times you do like that.
नहीं बेड मैं ऐसे नहीं सोती कुछ.
But वो तो नींद में हो जाता है. वो जान पूछ के थोड़ी करता है.
हाँ तो कभी ऐसे तो करती ही नहीं हूँ मैं नींद में.
हमें क्या पता.
सर आपका फेवरेट स्टूडेंट तो बताओ. आपने पूरा टॉपिक
sir.
चेंज कर दिया. भूला हम लोग का लाइक दिमाग में से माइंड वॉश
Okay,
कर
now which
दिया.
lecture do you have?
sir.
Which lecture do you have now?
Student कौन
ना
है?
No,
सर.
no, sir,
आप
no.
बोलो सर. अभी तक वो लेक्चर
Sir.
जो है वो
No,
मैम नहीं
no,
आए.
sir.
But as I said,
सारा मुस्कान.
सर
Sensei
बोलो.
का पेपर
कोई बात नहीं.
सारा मुस्कान.
हम लोग में से तो कोई होगा
you,
नहीं.
सारा कुछ करूँगे.
I don't speak it in front of everyone. I keep some things